deals. Where's my pen? Some signs. I like those Balenciagas, the ones that look like socks. I like going to the tulip. I pull box.
What up, class? It's Martin says, DJ King B, as you can see here, and I wanted to do my elevator pitch. I have been DJing for about 10 years, and I have DJ'd at Monarch, Club Monarch, Sky Lounge, and just recently starting to branch out into my own business so that I can DJ weddings, quinces, house parties, business events. I have all my own equipment now, so I can travel, and I just wanted to say that at all my experience, I think that I could do very well as a DJ for you. So if you need one, feel free to hit me up on Instagram at DJ King B, Snapchat at Mr. King B, and Facebook at DJ King B33. Thanks for listening to my pitch, and then I would like to give you a business card, and maybe when you need a DJ service, you can hit me up.